Hey guys, what's up? It's Leilah, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I customize my iPhone, more specifically how I do it with the iOS 14 version. So I'm gonna start recording my screen, so it's gonna be right here, and as I'm recording, you guys are gonna be seeing what I'm doing. I learned how to do this last night, and I love yellow, so I was like, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's see how this is gonna go, but I'm gonna teach you guys, I promise, I got you. So the first thing I did is I went on Pinterest and I searched up yellow aesthetic because I like yellow and I'm going for a yellow look. And I recommend, for one page, I recommend like saving like 5 to 7 pictures that you like the most, that you think is gonna mesh together for your aesthetic. So there's that. I'm also going to be showing you guys other, sorry, it's my doggy. I'm gonna be showing you other aesthetics that people have been doing. This is one that I thought was really cute, so this is for some inspiration for you guys. So there's that, and then I can't show you the one that I'm doing, but yeah, let's get started. We're gonna be doing this on a brand new page. So first things first, after you get your pictures from Pinterest and a new wallpaper, I'm gonna change my wallpaper to the one I like. So after we change it, then we're just gonna start getting to work. 2 apps I definitely recommend that you download, I mean you kind of need them, is the Widgetsmith app and the Shortcuts app. You can find both of them on the App Store. They're gonna pop up as like the first one there. So there's the Widgetsmith. I use this one too, but if you want like more colors than the first Widgetsmith, because it kind of restricts on the different colors and stuff, this one has way more options. I recommend the second one, but I just wanted to stick with the first one because I wasn't going to do anything crazy anyways. And then the Shortcuts, not that one. This one right here is Shortcut. This is by Apple, so I recommend this. I feel like this is way more simpler than the other ones that I tried out last night. So yeah, so first we're gonna start with Widgetsmith. This is what it looks like. If you want it small, medium, or large, always name it if you do it. So this is the one that we are going to be using today. You click default and it shows you the different styles of the time, the date, customs if you want to use a photo, which I'm going to be showing you guys later on. And the weather is locked, maybe because you have to pay for it. No. I'm not sure. So right now we're using day and date, and the font, I'm gonna use this font because it's cute, it's nice, I like how it looks. Those are the other fonts. Then because I wanted to match my aesthetic, first I was gonna do like a bright yellow, but I was like, I feel it's gonna be like too much yellow and it's gonna be taking away from everything. So I just wanted to mesh together well. So there's that. Then I used the pastel yellow. We're gonna save that. And for reminders, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that because I was kind of confused. Did I want it to do a large? Oh, I wanted to do it small. I think it's cuter when it's small. So we're gonna click on that, and once you pass custom and calendar, those are the reminders. And then it's gonna go to list. It's gonna come up like this, but I recommend you make like a new list in your reminder app and then just click that off. Oh my god, what is that? I was checking to see if it was still recording. Filters, I put all reminders. Font is the same as the other one. The tint color same. If you want to change it, you can, but like I said, like I want everything to match as much as possible, just so it could give it like the aesthetic look and whatnot. And we're gonna save. So to add these widgets to your phone, you're gonna press and hold any app and you're gonna edit your home screen. So once you do that, you're gonna come over here, you're gonna press the plus sign in the corner, and you're gonna go all the way down to widget smith. So there's a small, medium, and large. We do have the medium one that I wanted to use, and if it doesn't pop up like that and it's like a different one, like for example, this is the ugly one that I told you guys about that I didn't really like. Didn't want that no more, so I changed it back to medium 2. That's gonna be the one I want, and it's gonna match with the rest of my aesthetic. Okay, now we're gonna go into shortcuts, basically how the apps have pretty little pictures on them, just so it can match the background and stuff. Oh, I don't know why this is here. Let me know. I don't want to delete or move anything on my phone right now because I feel like that's gonna be so much work while I'm recording this YouTube video, and I have other stuff to do today, so I'm like, that's gonna be so much. But so what I want to do is I want to put apps that I use the most. Okay, so now we have that. We're gonna go back to shortcuts, and I'm gonna show you guys what to do. So we're gonna put the plus screen in the right top corner, and we're gonna put add actions, and then we're gonna search up open app. Okay, now this is gonna say scripting, and you're gonna click on it again because you're gonna choose which app that you want it to open once you open the little shortcut application on your phone. So we're going to do Twitter and shortcut. We're gonna press add to home screen because they're gonna make you change the shortcut name anyways. Like I said before, when I told you to basically pick 5 to 7 pictures that you want, it refers back to this because I like how these look. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this for Twitter. Done. Next. And there it goes, it pops up right over there. So yeah guys, that's basically how to do it. And you could delete this to move to the app library. And that doesn't mean that it's completely gone from your phone. You're just moving it to the side over here where they put, so it's not in your way. So it's aesthetically pleasing for you, as you might say. I really like how everything looks. I want to add another widget smith, so let's just go ahead and do that. One of the different ones to show you guys how to do the photo. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my final product of the iOS 14 home screen customization. If you guys have any, please send them to me because I would love to see, and I would love to be more inspired to do even more pages. I just feel like it's so time consuming. But once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty easy. We're all gonna have tech degrees by the end. By the time we get out of quarantine, we're gonna be designing all type of things. So I hope you guys have an amazing day. then like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye. Tell me